Hey guys, it's Rochelle. I'm back with another video for you guys. Today's video, I'm going to do something quick and easy. I'm going to be doing a glueless wig install. So there will be absolutely no glue involved. And this is beginner friendly. It is. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve it, then please keep on watching. Now the wig that I'm rocking in today's video is by Nadula Hair. I have worn their wigs quite a few times. Let's get into the wig. So we have the wig right here, and this is the kinky textured hair. So this is what she looks like straight out of the box. Now, as you can see, there is an elastic band on the back, which is perfect for adjusting your wig. And you also have the combs on the side. I never use these, and I'm so happy that these are removable, so I don't have to cut them off. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and just remove that because I don't need that. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side as well. So I'm removing that. And then there's also another adjustment right here as well. And you also have a drawstring. So this is a drawstring wig. Now, a lot of companies are doing the drawstring wigs, but this is the first time I'm seeing one like this, where the knob on the back is like super small. It's not big at all. So it should be more comfortable to wear. So there's a comb in the back, but you can't take the one out in the back. You can cut it off if you don't need it, but I like to use the comb in the back, so I'll keep that. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna adjust the wig. Now this is the lace on the wig. The lace does appear to be transparent lace, but if I'm incorrect about that, I will definitely put a text in the video or in the description box down below, but it seems like it's transparent lace, which is fine. I can still melt down a transparent lace. And this is how the lace looks. So this is how you know it is a closure and not a frontal. With the frontal, the lace goes all the way across, which is usually a 13x4 or 13x6. So this one does not go all the way to the ear. It just stops right here, which is perfectly fine for a glueless wig. Now, I do think glueless wigs are definitely beginner friendly. So if you are a beginner, that is perfect. Now, this wig is pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Let's see how well it's pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on my wig. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on my head just to see how it is fitting. Okay guys, so I kind of like did the adjustment straps a little tight because to get like the true glueless effect, you need to tighten that. Tighten it so it sits on your head as flat as possible. It is a little low, I know, it looks a little crazy right now, but we are going to fix that up. So I'm just going to pull this up right here because it has no business being that low on my head, absolutely none. Just gonna tighten the drawstring in the back just a little bit because I want this to like really lay on my head where the lace just sits right there. The lace is a little bit on the light side, so I definitely have to tint it. So as for the hairline, it just goes straight. And I don't really love that. As you can see, it is pre-bleached. The knots are super fine. It looks pretty good. I feel like the knots are a little bit more noticeable in the front, but when I move the hair from the front, it's not as noticeable. So I'm actually gonna tweeze out some of these hair in the front and just create a whole different hairline, one that is more suitable to my face. And I like my wig to be as close to my natural hairline as possible right here. That's good. Okay, so these are the two pieces that I'm going to be taking out, and I'm also going to take some out at the side as well. Now you could just tweeze it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to pull them out just like that. Okay, I'm happy with how that looks, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side as well. Now I really hope I did not take out too much hair at the front, so wish me luck. Woo! Yay! I know it looks a little crazy right now, but keep in mind I'm gonna cut this lace, so it's not gonna look crazy when I'm done with it. Okay, we got it. I know, trust the process. It is a trust the process thing. What I'm gonna go ahead and do now is I'm gonna cut this extra lace here because that is what's making it look super weird, and I don't need that. And I'm gonna take out some of these hair right here as well. So now I'm going to go in with my scissors. I already cut some of the lace off on this side, so you really didn't miss anything. I'm going to do the same thing right here. So all that hair that we pulled out, I'm just going to cut that part of the lace. And just to melt that lace down, I'm going to use my Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and I'm just going to apply this on my lace, and I'm just applying this on my finger, and I'm not really using a lot of products at all. And this is just going to melt the lace down so it looks more seamless, because right now she is not looking seamless, okay? She's not. I'm just going to go in with my melting band, and I'm going to leave this on for about 15 minutes. And I will be right back. All right, so now that the wig is melted down, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my wax stick. Ooh, that is just way too much. I don't know why that happened, but that was a lot of wax stick. And let's just not be so heavy. Let's just not be so heavy-handed. And I'm gonna go in with my hot comb just to flatten this wig down a bit. All right, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten the hair as well. So I'm gonna go in with my flat iron. I actually got a new flat iron recently. This one is from GHD. So thank you, GHD, for sending over this flat iron to me. I'm just gonna go into voiceover mode now. Now I'm gonna go in with the flat iron and just straighten my hair. I'm gonna speed this part up because I'm pretty sure you guys all know how to straighten your hair. All right, so this is pretty much the completed look. This is how it looks in a center part, and this is how the lace is looking. It looks really melted. It looks really good, and it is a beginner friendly wig like I mentioned before. Okay, so I just put it in a side part, but obviously we got to do some work to it for it to look good. And as you can see, I'm just going to go back in with the hair wax, and then I'm going to go in with the hot comb and just comb it down. And yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. This is a beginner friendly wig, and I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Love you. Bye. Nadula.